This video will cover all the features and options available on the fixed asset, as well as the IT Assets page. On the top panel of both pages, there is a search option to locate a specific asset based on the asset name, asset ID, and more. Next to the search, there is a filter option. Filters can be applied based on various fields, such as asset name, asset ID, status, owner, base location, requester, and so on. And conditions. Once the fields and conditions are filled, save them for future references. Next to the filter option, there is a sort by arrangement option. Here, users can sort assets by asset name, asset ID, operational status, type, OS name, make, serial number, base location, whether they are active, installed, and their locations. Also, there is the choice to organize the assets in ascending or descending order. Infraon offers two viewing options. One is the grid view, and the other is the panel view. Adjacent to the view options is the Actions tab. Within the Action tab, several options are available. The first option is the Scan and Search Asset feature. This allows users to directly add an asset using its barcode number. Just enter the barcode, and the asset will be added to the platform. Further along, there is an Export option. This function can be used to create a CSV file of the assets listed on the IT Assets page. To download the CSV, first select the asset category for which the data is needed. Select the category, then click on the Download CSV file option. A CSV file will then be downloaded, containing all the information of the asset, including asset ID, name, owner, requester, tag, asset tags, location, and other details. Also, in the Action tab, there is a Maintenance option. Once clicked, it redirects to the Maintenance module. Here, it reflects all the maintenance that has happened in the past and future assignments. Then, there is a Column Selection tab. Users can choose the information that needs to be displayed on the asset page in the column selection. To add or remove columns, simply click on the cross option to remove a column. To add a selection, drag and drop it from the column selection. Once done, click on Save to apply the changes. The grid view will now reflect the selections just made. Click on Bulk Edit to make changes to a specific category of assets using a CSV file. This option is similar to adding an asset using a CSV file. Additionally, there is an option to download the Inventory Agent. This option is also available in the Inventory Agent located in the IT Operations module. Lastly, there is the Customized Asset ID feature. Here, users can customize the ID format of the assets created. Change the prefix and choose the ID format to be alphanumeric or random. Users can also define the number of values and set the conditions for them. Now, on the Asset Grid page, look at an example with the asset ID AlexNF-189. Here, the asset name, IP, asset ID, and its status, whether it is delegated or not, will be reflected. It will also show the status of the asset, indicating whether it is up or down. Next to it, the type of device, its manufacturer, and the OS version are displayed. Additionally, there is a More Options key, which allows users to edit or make changes to the asset. To delete the asset, simply click Delete. To allocate a user to this specific asset, just click Allocate. For a detailed view of the asset, click on the asset name. One of the useful features on this page includes the ability to replicate multiple operations at the same time by selecting the assets. When one or more assets are selected, multiple options will become available on the top panel. These options allow technicians to select owners for multiple assets at once, choose a requester for multiple assets, select the group tag, print these assets, and access more options. In More Actions, technicians can activate the asset's status, change its base location, alter its category, enable or disable the asset, delete multiple assets at once, change the installed location, add maintenance, schedule the asset for maintenance, and mark it as CI, all by selecting multiple assets at once. On the left panel, for both the Fixed Asset and IT Asset tabs, categories, and its features can be viewed. This concludes the overview of the Infraon Infinity IT Asset and the Fixed Asset Management tab.